Hello everyone, my name is Amanda Haynes and I'm a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. I am on the Mellow Group in Clermont today and I'm going to take you inside of this home. It has just a little over 1,700 square feet. It's one of the smaller floor plans that D.R Horton has to offer. So let's go in and have a look. I am here in Clermont today, about to take you inside of this home. It has 1,707 square feet of living space. You come in, you have to your right your laundry room area. The nice window letting light come in. A 2-car garage. And it opens up to your open floor plan with this amazing kitchen. Nice big island that seats 4 comfortably. Of course, you have your pantry. Your dining. Love these 3 windows here. You have a flex space with a closet. Your bedroom, or the butterfly room, and a full-size bathroom with the shower tub. You have your living room. Come outside to your pool area. Covered lanai. Extended pavers. The spa. And then last but not least, your primary bedroom. And your bathroom. You have the walk-in shower, a walk-in closet, and your double vanity. My name is Amanda Haynes. Please Subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos like these. It definitely saves you time when searching for a home. And I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye, everyone.